What's up, lovely people? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing this Jamaican style carrot pumpkin juice. Love this juice. Growing up in Jamaica, I look forward to this juice. This juice always complements my Sunday dinner. Like sometimes it would just be the carrot by itself, and then some other time it would be the carrot and the pumpkin, but either way an amazing juice. So right here I have a pot of water on the stove, and I'm going to boil the carrot and the pumpkin before blending. So after you have cut up and washed the pumpkin and carrot, you want to add them to the pot and allow them to cook for at least 15 minutes. So after you have cooked the carrot and the pumpkin, allow this to cool before proceed to blending. Okay? So once again, these are all the spices and the sweetener that I'm going to use. So I have nutmeg, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, allspice. I'm going to use a little bit of coconut milk and the coconut condensed milk. After blending, this is the consistency you want to achieve. You see how it's nice and smooth? So now I'm gonna go in with all the spices and the sweetener and then give it another blend. So after adding the spices and the sweetener, you want to blend this again for a few seconds. And now to my favorite part. You can serve this up right away. If you want to add ice, go right ahead. Or you can just put this in the refrigerator to cool. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, but most importantly, try this recipe and stay tuned for some more amazing recipes.